And Allah Almighty says, fight those who believe not in Allah and in the last day, and accept not as unlawful what Allah and His apostle made unlawful. And follow not the true faith, that is to say, those who were given the book, until they pay the required tax with their own hands, being brought low. Surah Tawbah, verse 29. They are mean. And the narration which has come in connection to take jizya from the Jews, the Christians, the Magians, and non-Arabs infidels. And Ibn Uyayna has reported from Ibn Abi Najih that he said to Mujahid, what is the specification of the people of Syria? That they have to pay 4, whereas the people of Yemen have to pay off 2 dinars. He said, it is because of affluence. Hazrat Amr bin Dinar says, I was sitting in the company of Jabir bin Zaid and Amr bin Aus when Bajala said beside the stairs of Zamzam well in 78. The year when Hazrat Moosa bin Zubair performed Hajj accompanied by the people of Basra, I was a scribe of Jaz bin Muawiyah, the uncle of Ahnaf. A letter of Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu reached us a year before his demise, bearing the command to separate the Magian who has married a woman who is too closely related to him to marry. And Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu did not take jizya from the Magians. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3156.